Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is the 68 Camaro with big block in it. Beautiful white interior. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We will put it on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood. We're gonna show you that big block Chevy. We're gonna show you inside the trunk. We're gonna get out and drive it. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro investment. So come on up and we'll fire this baby up for you right now. So check this red beauty out. I love the cowl hood. The red paint's laid on there, slick as can be. All the lines are nice and straight. The chrome looks good. We got 427 badging here. All the trim around the headlights is looking great. When you look down the side of the car, straight as an arrow. Body work is phenomenal on the car. Great looking set of aluminum wheels on it, 5 spokers. The doors lined up here real nice and flush. Nice tight door gap here too. All the moldings look good. This door gap's looking good. Door handle looks good. Looks like we got some new fuzzies here on the windows. Door operates nice and smooth. The door jamb looks nice and clean. The rubber's been replaced. Door panel's in good shape. It's got the stock appearing steering wheel on it. Center console, staple shifter, gauges there on the center console also. We got seat belts in the front, seat belts in the back. Houndstooth back here. Looks like some 6x9 speakers. Take a look at that dash. All the chrome there looks good. All the lenses look good in the dash. And guys, I point out the lenses and everything on all the gauges all the time. And I tell you, that's a really big point on these cars because I see some of these cars, the dashes just look like they're 1,000 years old. The dash pad on this car also looks good. The paint on the dash also looks good. That's one of the things that I do when I look at cars. I look down inside the windows here at the trim. I look down inside the driver's window or the windshield at the dash edges. You can see all the trim around here. All these bezels look new. The rear bumper looks new. The lenses on the backup lights and the tail lights look good. Inside the trunk looks like a brand new car. Nice and clean in there. Wheel wells are nice and tight. Trunk floor is nice and clean. Always pull that mat up and take a look in there. Nice and solid. Wheel well looks good. Backside of the quarters nice and clean. Underside of the deck lid's nicely painted. All the lips look good. All the gutter system here is nice and clean. When you look down the side of the car, again, straight as can be. Door fits good. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this car. Right now we've got a little over 230 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. Now we inspect the cars before we buy them. Then when they come here to the shop, we run them through an inspection process that allows us to answer all your questions when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now we bought almost 50 cars last month and I was involved in buying every one of those cars. So what that means to you is you're getting my experience helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's take our 68 Camaro for a ride. I tell you what, that cowl hood's looking good out there. The exhaust is sounding awesome. This is one mean machine right here. Big block under the hood, sounding great, driving great. And you know what? We can park it in your driveway no matter where you live in the world. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. Listen to that exhaust, man. Sounding awesome. And we can help you with financing too. If you need some help with financing, just call Tom. It only takes about a 15-minute phone call with the banker. We got 3 different banks we work with right now. We can help you out. We can get this dream parked in your drive, no problem whatsoever. Now look down here on the dash, you can see the speedo's working, the tach is working, the aftermarket radio's working. We got gauges down here on the center console. Driving with no hands, going down the street nice and straight. Just a beautiful ride here, guys. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're real close to the airport. So if you'd like to fly in and check out this car or one of the other 230 cars we have in stock, please give us a call. Let us know you're coming. We'll come down to the airport and pick you up. If you want to drive in on a Saturday, we're here from 9 to 3 on Saturday. Again, call Tom, let him know you're coming so we can make sure we got your favorite car right up front. We do have 80,000 square feet of storage, and right now a little over 230 cars in stock. So it may take us a minute to get your car out. It may have a few cars in front of it. So that's why we like to hear from you before you come out so we can make sure we've got them ready for you. Get out here in this traffic and listen to that exhaust again. Listen to that beautiful sound. Big block. Now we're coming up on our shop right now and we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that big block. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great informed decision on your Camaro investment. All right, I'm underneath this Camaro now, and man, she is pretty under here. You can see the gas tank looks brand new, the shackles look new, the springs look new, the exhaust is definitely new. Drop downs are solid as a rock. Inside lip here where the inner wheel well and everything goes together, all that looks beautiful. It looks like that is a stainless pipe too. Looks like it's got new shocks on it. Definitely new U-bolts. Looks like brand new drums on the brakes. And the guys will pull those drum brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. We've got right around a 373 gear in here, and it is Posi. It is a 10-bolt rear end. We got pipes polished up. Actually, those are MagnaFlow. MagnaFlow mufflers here, they're all polished up. Looks like the bushings in the front of the springs are new too. Fuel line looks good, brake line looks new. Parking brake cable looks new. Bushings on the frame look new. This frame has been coated. It feels like it's been powder coated. The top of it's painted and nice and smooth too. Cross members all cleaned up. Turbo 350 trans here. We've got a chrome closeout on the torque converter. We've got jet coated headers. All the steering gear looks brand new too. I can see part numbers on them. So both inner and outer tie rod ends are new. We got a big set of disc brakes up front. Those rotors feel nice and smooth. The lines look like they're new. Sway bar bushings look new. The shocks look new. Some big tubular lower control arms and tubular upper control arms. Cross member looks nice. Chin spoiler looks good. Bottom side of the radiator's clean as can be. It looks brand spanking new. Core support also looks brand spanking new, looking beautiful. And that's one of the things on these cars I always check out. Front valance looks good. Chrome on the front bumper looks good. And even the core support there, look at the paintwork up in there, nice and clean. I'll tell you, car was done right for sure. Now let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here, we got American Racing 5 spokes. Aluminum's looking great, and we've got Coopers, and these are 215/55/17s. You can see the paintwork right down to the bottom edge looks good. And always feel around and check the front fenders here. I don't feel that there's been any patchwork or anything done. That's solid metal. Always look at the rockers too, and look at the pinch weld also. It's all looking good. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, let's see what we got. We got two 95/55/17s out here. And again, always feel this lip here. I can feel that inner wheelhouse there. Always look at the rocker, always look at the pinch weld, and you can get a good view of the frame when you're down here looking at the pinch weld. And always look at this pinch weld too, where that floorboard goes to the inner wheelhouse. It all looks nice and strong. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood of this Camaro now, and she is sharp under here. You see a brand new aluminum radiator, brand new aluminum water pump. All the accessories are all chromed up. It does have power brakes, and it does have power steering. We got upper control arms that are tubular, Everything here, you can see the frames all painted up nice. Looks like new jet coated headers, Edelbrock Intake. It's a 454, that's what the casting number tells us. It does have an MSD distributor and a blaster coil. Looks like brand new windshield wiper motor. All the brake system there looks brand new also. All the wiring looks good. All the hoses look great. It is a dual feed 4-barrel Holley carburetor sitting on top. You see the inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. The firewall's nicely painted. Bottom side of the hood's nicely painted. I mean, this is one beautiful car, guys. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.